Managing change is all about engaging with people, and that fundamentally hasn't shifted as we move to more digital ways of working. It really is all about engaging with people, making sure they understand the reason for change, and making sure they actually want to be part of the solution, and that fundamentally hasn't changed. However, having said that, there is a real need to overinvest in capability building to support in the new ways of working from a digital transformation. And this is where we really need to think about what is the as-is and the to-be ways of working, and what are the capabilities that we need to support the teams to be able to sustain the change moving forwards. And that's really where we need to focus on our efforts in digital transformation, which maybe we didn't need to do quite so much in the traditional transformation. So although the fundamentals of managing change haven't changed, we do need to overinvest in really making sure people have the skills and capabilities needed to support the new ways of working.
In a digital transformation, cultural change is as important as the technology. In fact, if you don't engage with the employees at all, that leads to job insecurity, and that will hinder the transformation. So it's really important that we start engaging with the operators right the way across the manufacturing facility in order to drive a transformational change. What the manufacturing team need to understand is that many things won't change during a digital transformation. They'll still be making products for the customers, they'll still be working through in the way in that they've always worked. However, there will be some things that do change. And specifically, that is the way in which they interact with the process. So within a digital transformation, we'll be able to get more data, more information, and therefore more insights. Along with the digital transformation, is the experience of the operators is absolutely key, because their experience will help drive to make sure that we make fantastic products, but we also need the innovative thinking that drives digital transformation. We need to change the way that people interact with the process. We need to make sure that we value the experience of the operators, even though the manufacturing environment is being heavily influenced by a rapid change in data and technology. In fact, to drive a successful digital transformation, it is 100% a people thing. If we get the people engaged with the process in the right way, we can absolutely drive a very positive change for the business.
A transformation's success really boils down to three key factors: engaging the organisation, selling the vision, and celebrating success. So starting with engaging the organisation, it's absolutely key to make sure the wider organisation is really engaged in the transformation journey. They understand the what's in it for me and the benefits associated with it, and they actually want to be part of the journey. The second piece is around selling the vision. So it's really important that the leadership team is aligned on what the transformation is trying to achieve and makes that really tangible for everyone in the organisation, so they really understand what it means to them and how they can be part of that solution. And actually it's going to make things better for them in the longer term, so therefore increasing the buy-in and engagement. And the final piece is around celebrating success. So transformation can be challenging, and there's undoubtedly lots of bumps in the road that may be quite disheartening for the broader organisation. Therefore, it's really key to make sure that small successes are celebrated and that we really build that momentum and positive energy as we go through the transformation. Argon Co, leading the way, transforming business.